This is chessboard. It has 64 blocks, 64 squares. There are two players who can play this game at a time. There are 16 coins for each players. So we will see what are the coins of the game. This is the coin arrangement. You can see there are 16 white coins and there are 16 black coins. So we will understand the names of the coins first so that we can play in a better way. We have to learn this. To learn playing, first we have to understand the names and how they move. Okay? So let us see. This is called rook, R-O-O-K, rook. So there are two rooks. They are placed at the extreme ends, left and right. See here, this is extreme left and this is extreme right. You can see there, right? So right and left. So there are two rooks, and beside the rooks you can see this is called knight, K-N-I-Z-H-T, knight. So there are two knights. One is on the left side, other one is on the right side. So there are two knights, 1 and 2. Now we have, after this is called bishop, B-I-S-H-O-P, bishop. Again there are two bishops, one is on the left side, another one is on right side. Here this one is called minister. This one is called not minister, this one is called queen. This one is called queen, Q-U-E-E-N, queen. And beside that it is king. This is known as king. Okay. So same way the coins are placed. I just talked about white coins. Same way black coins are placed on the other side of the chessboard. You can see, right? And so this was the last row. You saw that rook, knight, bishop, queen, king, then bishop, knight, rook. Then in front of these rows there are 8 pawns. They are called pawn. All are alike, all are the same. You can say they are sepoys. They are the soldiers. So we have 8 soldiers, 8 pawn. Same way on the other side, it's a black. We have 8 pawns, 8 soldiers. Now we will understand how they move. Okay, so let us start. First we will start the move of rook. This is rook. So let us suppose it is placed here. If it is placed here, so its movement can be it's like you can say it's a plus sign. Wherever it is put, you just make a plus sign and it will go till the place is vacant. Like if it is here, it can come up to last. Same way, it can come up to here, right? So if it is here, then you can go this side up to here and this side up to here. So this is how it moves. So same way other rook also it will move like this. Now let's see the movement of bishop. If bishop is put here, then bishop moves in the form of multiplication sign. Just make a multiplication sign and it can move up to the place where it is till it is vacant. It cannot cross any coin. That's the importance. Rook, bishop, queen, king, pawn, these all cannot cross any coin. So knight here, knight will be crossing. Knight has the power to cross, so we will learn. So first we will understand how this bishop moves. So bishop moves like this. Okay, like this. So did you understand the movement of rook and bishop? If it is okay, now let's go to queen. Queen has the movement, it is the combination of rook and bishop. It moves according to the rook also and according to the bishop also. Same movement, but it has the power of rook and bishop both. So it can move in plus direction as well as multiplication direction. Okay. And the rook can move till, okay, now queen can move till the place is vacant, or it can kill the opponents. Like if here in this case here queen can kill this, it can kill this, or it can kill this, or it can kill this, like this. Okay. So this is how queen moves. Now let us come to king. King can move only one block. Here restriction for king is it can move only one block at a time, that's all. So it can move one block towards any side. So here it can move here, 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 here and here and here, right? So one move at a time it can move. So same movement is there from other side. I'm just talking about white coins. So same movement is for black coins. Now we left with knight. This is knight.